Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install Streamlabs OBS. So the first thing we're going to be using is a new browser window, so make one of those, and then go to streamlabs.com. Once it loads, you're going to want to press download Streamlabs, and you can download it right there. This actually will take a while to install because it is a rather heavy application. If you don't want to be using Streamlabs, but just want to use normal OBS, I have a link to that as well, and that will be linked in the cards right now and in the end screen of this video, just in case you want to check it out instead. By the way, if you're watching this right now, please subscribe if you haven't already while this file is downloading, and let's get right back into installing it. So now that the file has successfully installed, as you can see, it's 185 out of 185, we will click on it, and then it will open up this screen. And we have to press yes, of course, as always. And now we just press agree, install, and we wait while Streamlabs OBS installs itself. And you can check to run and then press finish. And now, as you can see, Streamlabs OBS is launching, and you would start streaming with a platform. I will press skip for now, and you'll see we can start fresh. You can add one of their very helpful free themes. I'm personally going to pick this borderline red yellow by Nerd or Die because I think it looks pretty cool. And we're going to press install. And we're adding a quick theme, and now OBS Streamlabs is completely installed. And look, you've got all of this stuff free and available, just ready. See, stream starting soon, stream be right back, stream ending, stream intermission, in-game, everything like that. This is one of the reasons that using Streamlabs is so much better than OBS if you're new, because it does give you all of this easy, free stuff that just takes no effort at all. So, thank you all so much for watching. If you do want to watch Stream Elements version of the same thing, which is another greater provider in my opinion, watch the video in the end screen, or you can install normal OBS using the same video. Goodbye.